In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your Steam apps folder. If you're a gamer or someone who frequently uses Steam, knowing where your Steam apps folder is located can be incredibly useful. It houses all the files for your installed games and can be essential for troubleshooting, modding, or simply managing your game files. So let's dive right in and find that folder on your computer. First, we need to open the file manager on your computer. This is your gateway to accessing all the files and directories on your system, and it's usually represented by a folder icon on your taskbar or desktop. Once you've opened File Manager, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the window, where you'll see various shortcuts and drives listed. Next, click on This PC. This option allows you to view all the drives and storage devices connected to your computer. It's like a digital map of all the places your files could be hiding. After you click This PC, you'll see a list of drives. Typically, the one we're looking for is labeled as local disk. To see what it ports. This is the default location where most of your programs and operating system files are stored. Now, click on local disk. This will take you into the heart of your computer's storage. Here you'll find a myriad of folders, but the one we're interested in is Program Files, Country 86. This folder is specifically designed to store applications and programs that are compatible with the 32-bit architecture. Steam is one of those programs, so let's move ahead and click on Program Files, x86. Within Program Files x86, you'll see a collection of folders related to various applications installed on your computer. Scroll through this list until you locate the Steam folder. Steam is the digital distribution platform where all your games are managed, downloaded, and organized. Click on the Steam folder to open it. We're almost there. Inside the Steam folder, you'll find a variety of files and folders, but the one we're searching for is Steamapps. This is the final destination where all the game files and content are stored. Click on the Steamapps folder, and there you have it. You've successfully located the Steamapps folder. Remember, this folder is crucial for managing your game files, so handle it with care. Whether you're adding mods or backing up game data, knowing the location of your Steamapps folder can save you a lot of time and effort. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to find your Steamapps folder. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.